All right, and we're live. Welcome to Chasing Arrow for another riveting video. Thanks for taking the time to come and watch us today. How are you going today, Dean? All right?
Yeah, not too bad. Thanks for asking. Yeah, we're going to have something exciting planned today.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not an exciting market, is it? It's pretty sideways at the moment. So it sounds like you might have a magic remedy for it.
I certainly do. Just for the doctor's order, just for CZ's ordered.
Just what Chasing Alpha's order today. All right, well, hey, let's get this on the stream and get on with things. So what are we actually discussing today, Dean?
So this is an opportunity to trade in basically a sideways market, directional trade opportunity. You don't have to use leverage on this one, but if you do, you actually bump up your return on equity. So if you look on so this is on Binance Coin. It's had some, they had a few unfortunate things that happened in the last week. The IEO didn't work out to plan. Long story short, and there's a bit of selling pressure, quite intense selling pressure, and it's selling. It's currently hovering around the $25.30 odd mark, as you can see on the top, the green row there, column number 1, column number 2. So we are basically realizing that this is potentially close to a bottom. We are utilizing dollar cost average strategy to buy up slowly, add it to your holdings. And as you can see, the sell side as well, we are dollar cost averaging our sell side as well, starting from $27 up. It should generate. So we're looking at best case scenario, buying about 300 tokens, and our average cost should be around $24.60 odd cents. So let's just say $25, and our average sell price should be around $28 or $29 approximately. So it's trading around a very short, kind of narrow kind of margin, within $3 or so, $3-4, because you don't want to get too greedy and wait for a massive pump, $34 to $31, $32, because it might never get there. And also, if anytime you're leverage trading, or if you're trading in a sideways choppy market, you want to just get your money and go, take your money and run. So utilizing the leverage position, 1.5 leverage ratio, which means for every $2 you have, you're borrowing another $1. Your profit looking at is $1,500. If you weren't thinking of leveraging, that's fine. Your return on capital invested, you'll get around 21%, and I think your payout will be around $1,000, not leveraged with this particular trade. Look, it's not a massive amount, but it is enough to kind of when these opportunities arise, we should act on these opportunities and make the most of them, especially in a dead market. Leverage, your return on equity will be 31% or 32%.
Okay. Right? So, Kent, the reason that we've come up with a play like this is, as you'd be well known if you're a crypto enthusiast like us, you see Bitcoin very much in a sideways motion at the moment. So with IEOs, which are initial exchange offerings on the Binance platform, they seem to be happening fairly regularly, almost every single month. So because there's too many people for how much volume is actually allowed for each IEO, you have to hold a certain amount of Binance or BNB tokens. So I think the minimum you have to hold is 50 tokens to get in on that. So on the last one that Dean alluded to, there was only a 5% chance of actually getting in. So it didn't actually do overly well compared to previous ones, hence why the prices dropped. So within a couple of weeks, we believe that Binance will be announcing their next IEO. So the price again should pump. And what we're saying is that it possibly could pump higher than the prices we've got here, but it's all about taking conservative gains in a market that's going sideways. Because if you wait too long and get too greedy, that's where we can lose out. Hence, we look at the likes of January 2017, etc.
Yeah.
So was there any further things that you wanted to add to that?
Yeah, so I was just mentioning, absolutely what you just said is right. It touched $27 yesterday, and I should have perhaps sold out a little bit. Dollar cost average sell approach.
Yeah, absolutely.
I didn't, and I was hoping for a 29, and it downwards. So had I had sold at $27, I could have bought back at 20, 25 at the moment. So just giving an example of, that it's being vigilant and sticking to a plan. And this is the plan we have for you. I'll also be posting this, the actual plan, on our Telegram chat group. You can actually, you can scan or you can follow the link, which Rod will post at the bottom of this video, and you can join us for our potential money-making opportunities.
Absolutely. Awesome, Dean. Well, I think we just missed part of that, but hey, what Dean was saying is that he's going to post up all this onto our Telegram group. I'll also put it at the bottom of our YouTube clip. Look, Thanks again for watching today. If you do have questions, what are your thoughts? Are we too conservative? Are we not conservative enough? Do you think this is a good play? Have you done anything similar? We'd love to hear from you. So please do like our videos, do comment with your thoughts, and also subscribe to our channel. And also join our Telegram community. We'd love to have you there. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon.